Clippings. Clippings is a clause bank solution. It works similar to AutoText. Once set up, Clippings can be used and added in both Word and Outlook. There are 3 default locations. If I click on the Insert menu and then click on Clippings, you will see that we have a global, shared and personal location. The global location are those clippings which are available to everyone in the business. Shared is usually for a team, and personal allows for someone to have their own clippings. Set clause, and I'm going to say save clipping. Now, clipping consists of 3 parts: a name, a code and a location. So I'm going to call my clipping sunset clause. We're going to give it a code, so I'm going to call it SC sunset, and then we're going to click save. Now, to use that clause, I'm going to go to a blank document. There are 2 ways that we can do this. We can type in SC sunset and then click auto insert, or press F3 and inserts the clause into our document. Now, to insert that clause into Outlook, we go to our Outlook message. Once again, place our cursor where we want the order text to go. Go to our DocAssist menu, choose Clippings, choose our clause, which is our sunset clause, and then click Insert. And the clipping will appear in our email.